in the intake manifold. I'm gonna see if I can cram you guys in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but those are metal shavings. We'll see if that's the cause of this. I don't know yet, but I do need to get a catch can because there's a lot of oil in there, and I don't like that, so I need to get a catch can from my PCV here. So yeah. Alright, I'm getting all the coolant drained out. This is actual coolant in this car, which makes it surprisingly, but there it is. Alright guys, so I figured something out, right? I was gonna do a port and polish for this head. And then I'm like, this head, really, like, I can do a lot of port and polishing. So, just check this out. I'm gonna gasket match this head. Look how much room I have for gasket matching here, gasket matching all this, and gasket matching this last one. And then here you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see like the out of the, like the, where the gasket sits, and there's some room where I can open it up even more. Gains, see that on the corners up top, corner there, on these corners up there. If I can gasket match that and open up the holes and open up these holes a tad bit in those, I can gain probably a good 5 more horsepower or something like that. So have a I mean, it's already off, so why not just do that, right? Exactly, because I mean, it's gonna take a while for me, because my head gasket, I ordered one from Germany. The head bolts are here, but head gasket's gonna take another week. So if the car is gonna be sitting here, why not gasket match my intake manifold in that? Why not, right? I want to do the same thing on the VR. I'll see if I can figure something out, because that's a plastic runner. We'll see. I'll try to figure something out there. But this is going much faster than that, so let's see how it goes. Now we actually got it on it. It was just a bolt right there. So, bam, bam. Let me get some good grip. And I forgot to my gosh. Can you just squeeze through the timing belt? Thank you. Okay. Cylinders are definitely filled with fluid. Kind of thick though. It seems thicker than the OEM one. That's probably why I lost compression, dude. This could be very bad right now, but check out. So the one that has the blown gasket was this one, right? Check the wall out. The wall has a layer of rust on it, dude. Oh my gosh, this is bad. I believe I can probably use a little bit of a Scotch pad or something. I mean, you can still see the hones on this, so it's not too bad. On some parts though, some parts you can. Some parts is kind of stretched up, but I mean, I don't know, we'll see.